If you're looking for ways to make more money in 2026, you're not alone. More people than ever are trying to build side income outside of their 9 to 5 job. But here's the problem. There's so many side hustles out there, and not all of them are worth your time. So in this video, I'm going to break down the 5 best side hustles for 2026 based on low startup, flexibility, and the ability to scale long term. Let's get into it.
The best side hustles today usually have a few things in common. They don't require a lot of money to start, they can be done from anywhere, and they can potentially scale beyond just trading time for money.
The first side hustle is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where, as a part of an affiliates program, you post a link on your content. Maybe it's a YouTube video, maybe it's a blog post, and then a viewer clicks on that link and goes through and purchases that item using your link. You get a small commission from the affiliates program for that sale. For example, if I am promoting a book and I make a YouTube video about a book and I drop a link to be able to go purchase that book through, say, Amazon, through the Amazon Associates program, and you go on and purchase that book, I would get a small percentage of that sale. I didn't produce the book, I didn't ship the book, I don't have any inventory. It's just simply me connecting you to that book, and I get a small percentage of that sale. The tricky part about affiliate marketing is you do need an audience that is seeing your content and then going and clicking on your product to then go buy it. I talk about affiliate marketing in several of my other videos in more detail. If you'd be interested in learning more about it, I'm going to plug a link to those videos for you to go check out. The second side hustle is freelancing. Now, freelancing is going to be an easy way to make some pretty quick income if you already have a skill. That could be writing, video editing, design, social media management, or even simple admin work.
Freelancing is powerful because you can start getting paid quickly, but the trade off is that your income is usually tied directly to your time and workload.
The third side hustle is content creation. And think exactly what I'm doing right now with this video. YouTube, TikTok. You create these videos, you get monetized, and you are able to generate revenue that way. Now, this can also kind of tie in with affiliate marketing, as we had kind of talked about needing an audience to be able to see your links and go and actually purchase the items that you are putting links to. So these could kind of go 1A and 1B. If you're a good content creator, you have an audience, and then you go and recommend products through affiliate links, that could be a nice 2 birds with 1 stone situation if you want to look at it that way.
Content creation takes time to grow, but once you build an audience, it can open the door to multiple income streams like ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing.
The fourth side hustle is creating digital products. This could be templates, guides, ebooks, or other online resources. Once you create the product, it can be sold over and over and over again.
The biggest advantage here is scalability. You don't have to create a new product every time you make a sale, but you do need to understand what your audience actually needs.
The fifth side hustle is online tutoring or coaching. If you have knowledge in a subject, whether it's math, fitness, music, or even just career skills, you can teach people online.
This side hustle is great because it's high value and flexible. People are willing to pay for faster learning and personalized help.
Now, the most important thing to understand is this: there is no one universal best side hustle. It's oftentimes going to depend on your own skills, your own goals, and how much time you're willing to put into something. Some people prefer freelancing for quick income. Some people prefer content creation for the long-term growth opportunity. And some people appreciate affiliate marketing for its flexibility.
What matters most is not which side hustle you choose, but whether you actually stick with it long enough to see results.
So to recap, the 5 best side hustles in 2026 are affiliate marketing, freelancing, content creation, digital products, and online coaching or tutoring. Each one has its own pros and cons, but all of them can be started for little or no cost to you upfront. The key is choosing one that fits your strengths and staying consistent. I'm curious, which of these side hustles would you start in 2026? Let me know down in the comments. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, I really appreciate you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos about the top side hustles that are going on. I really appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one.